So I will suggest to using the other end, which is give you access into more precision glue gels instead of needles. So I'm gonna show you how I'm using it. And at first, when I use it, I don't squeeze anything out yet. I'm gonna do it some little quick exam, surround. It seals so secure with the no wipe top coat and thick triple thick condensed glue gel. So I'm feeling right here, the gap here. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit in, and keep in mind you can definitely go back and seal it again if you feel like the gap is not sealed. But make sure you are flash here for 30 seconds so it will not floating your crystals. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Check around the flower. If you feel this like scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze it in. Each time you're gonna do, you just need that much. Little go a long way. So I'm gonna check right here. Oh, I'm gonna seal this one to prevent from getting tarnished, because we're washing our hands a lot of hand sanitizing, so a lot of cleaning. So we're gonna make sure these are stay concrete on the nails. So it's around. And we'll check it right here. Right on the edges. Right here as well. And then we are going to here for 60 seconds.